Hi guys, and welcome back. I'm so excited because today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you guys. So recently a company out of Stockholm, Sweden called Gyllen, or Gyllen, hopefully I'm saying that right, contacted me and asked if they could send me one of their beautiful watches in exchange for an unboxing. And of course I said yes. So that's what we're going to be opening up today. So it comes packaged in this beautiful box right here, and I am just absolutely blown away at how beautiful this packaging is. They also sent me a little note. So let's go ahead and untie this red ribbon. Just do that. And we'll just see. Lift the box off the top. Okay, so here is how the box comes inside. You guys can see in this beautiful gold lettering. And then this comes down here. And then I think the box just slides right out. Okay, set this aside. So this is the actual box that has the watch in it. Oh my god, it is so beautiful. It feels so luxurious. I don't usually keep the boxes that my watches come in, but I will definitely be keeping this one because it is so beautiful. Okay, so let's open it up. Oh my gosh, and there it is. There is the beauty. How perfect. Oh my goodness. And then you guys can see there's some stuff up here. I believe this is a watch tool, and I'm not sure what that is, but we'll get it out in just a minute. So there is the watch. Let's take it out. So this piece comes out here, and there it is. So my watch is the Vicky, which is the rose gold band and then the black interface. So that's that. We've got, again, a little tag here. So let's pop it off and we'll go ahead and get it on. Cannot wait to try it on. I have really tiny wrists, so I know I'm gonna have to adjust this so it'll fit me. Okay, so we got it all adjusted. So that's how it looks on. I love that you can adjust it to fit perfectly because, like I said, my wrists are so small. So many watches don't fit it right. And how beautiful is that? Oh my gosh, I just love it. So the little paper that comes in the back, let's open this and see. Little packet like this, and it comes with a little card. It has a number on the back of the card, so I'm guessing that might be the number for the watch. I could be wrong. And then we've got a little thank you note, and then a little booklet that tells you how to adjust it and all of that good stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and put that back in there. Okay, we'll set all that aside. So that's it. It's like so, it is so beautiful. I am so in love. I will be wearing this all the time, you guys. So that's it. I am absolutely blown away at how beautiful this is. I knew it would be beautiful when I saw it online, but it's even more beautiful in person. I love it so much. It is so feminine and so classy. I just love it. So I just want to give you guys a little bit of information on the company, on their website. Under the story, you can go and read the whole thing for yourself, but I'll just read a little clip of it. It says, "A watch that could remind you of what's important, to slow down and be more in the moment. Life gets so much better." And I think that's such a beautiful message, especially in today's time when we're always running, and I think it's just a lovely reminder to let us know to slow down and enjoy the small things. It also has this little infinity sign on it, which I think is such a nice touch. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it on the camera, but if you go on their website, you'll definitely be able to see it. It's just so tiny and so intimate, and I think it's just such a nice touch. So the watches are actually on sale on their website, but I have a personal discount code to share with you guys. I'll link that down in the description below so you can go online and use that to get one for yourself. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.